Oraimo Necklace Lite is a new product from Oraimo, featuring a unique neckband design. This is my first experience, or let's say, wearing a neckband earphone. The Oraimo Necklace Lite boasts a wireless range of 10 meters, a battery capacity of 220 mAh, dual device connection, noise reduction for calls, and much more. The Necklace Lite feels incredibly light on the shoulder. In fact, if you are walking on the streets of Lagos, you might not even notice if someone took it from your shoulder. This is just to emphasize on how light these earphones are. Before we dive deeper into the review, it's worth noting that the Oraimo Necklace Lite costs around 20,000 naira in Nigeria. Using my discount code GeekDilino, you can enjoy a 5% discount when you place an order from Oraimo eShop website or the Oraimo app. Inside the packaging, you'll find the necklace Lite itself, a welcome guide, a USB-C cable, and ear tips. The earphones feature a silk, minimalist black design that looks modern and understated. The neckband is flexible and made of rubber for comfort and durability. The design allows the earphones to hang conveniently around your neck when not in use. The earpods themselves are compact with an in-ear design, typically providing good sound isolation, and the cable connecting to the earphones to the neckband are thin and discreet. The earphone also has a control model on one side of the neckband, a housing button for volume adjustment, and a single O button that doubles as power button, play button, or pause. And you can also use it to enable your phone assistant like Google Assistant or Siri. The charging port is located on the right side of the earpod and uses a USB-C cable. If you have watched the video to this point, I hope you are enjoying it, and I'll appreciate it if you could like and also subscribe if you wish to see more reviews from me. The earphone also has magnets which you can use when on the streets to provide little protection when the Oraimo Necklace Lite is not in use. Overall, the design prioritizes functionality and comfort for everyday use. The Oraimo Necklace Lite uses Bluetooth version 5.3, which means it connects to any device easily, and it supports the Oraimo Sound app. The Sound app allows you to turn on equalizer, game mode, and dual device connection. Before you can connect the Necklace Lite to a second device, you need to enable the dual device connection on the Oraimo Sound app. This means you can connect both your mobile phone and your laptop. When it comes to earphones, we can't ignore sound quality as it plays an important role when choosing a new audio device. If you connect the Oraimo Necklace Lite to two devices, you can't listen to two audio sources simultaneously. One will overpower the other. This means if you're watching a video on your laptop and a call comes on your phone, the phone sound will take precede. The Oraimo Necklace Lite doesn't have as much bass as the Oraimo FreePods 4, which you can activate by going to the Oraimo Sound app and clicking on equalizer, then selecting every bass. Those who haven't used Oraimo FreePods 4 might not notice the sound differences, but as someone who uses the Oraimo FreePods 4, I would say the sound is crisp and clear. However, when it comes to superior sound quality, you generally need to spend more. Nevertheless, the sound quality is good for the price point. The earphone has a good battery life, allowing you to enjoy the Necklace Lite for an extended period of time. If you use the earphone at low volume throughout the day, you can get up to 30 hours of playtime. However, if you use it at high volume, you can get about 10 hours of playtime. I tested calls with the Neck Lite and I must say it performed very well, handling call decently. The Oraimo Necklace Lite is a budget-friendly earpod that costs around 20,000 naira in Nigeria. It comes with a unique design, game mode, mid-bass sound. Its lightweight nature makes it stand out. Anyone looking to purchase one can use my discount code GeekDilino to enjoy a 5% discount. If you prefer AirPods with better sound quality, the Oraimo FreePods 4 or the SpacePod would be a good option, but they come with higher price points. If you found the video really helpful, kindly like and also don't forget to subscribe if you enjoyed and want to see more content from me. Bye for now.